Man, what it do is y'all know we back with another reaction video on the channel once again. Anyways, this time we're reacting to JISOO. I think that's how you say her name. Please don't come for me because I don't know how you say her name. I have never reacted to her before. All I know about her is that she's from a group named Blackpink, I believe. So the name of the song we're reacting to is called Earthquake. So let's get straight to it. She look good though. Nigga think he's smooth talking, hey beautiful, how your day going? Niggas, man.
문자에 답변하시기 전에 몇
Before you reply to the message, I need to ask you a few security questions.
가지 보안 질문을 좀 해야겠습니다.
Department of what?
가지 보안 질문을 좀 해야겠습니다.
Department of Heart Security. Feel me? She got that two-factor authentication. You feel me? I like that.
그 남자에 대한 당신의 진짜 마음은 뭡니까?
It hits me like an earthquake. 더 빠르게 my heart race. 온몸이 떨려 can't stand. 널 부정할 수 없게. I think I'm gonna down at the chart. 마치 risk.
Yo, hold on. The way this beat came in though, like stop playing with the lyrics. No, that was a little too crazy. Let's listen to it.
널 부정할 수 없게. I think I'm gonna down at the chart. 마치 risk. 시간조차 fast. 숨이 멎게.
It's a natural disaster. Yeah, we take it. We take the throne. Nothing else really matters. As soon as we're alone, there's a shock coming after. About to blow.
It hits me like an earthquake.
I'm fucking with this. You feel me? Yo, imagine. Nah, it's giving me that EDM vibe. I like it.
Can't stand. 널 부정할 수 없게. I think I'm
gonna. Yo, she's sexy. Yo, tell me she's not sexy, bro. Yeah, you can't even tell me she's not sexy because she's sexy. Yo, honestly, I think the biggest thing with me, like the whole K-pop scene, I love how they dance to that music. You feel me? Cause like in America, these rap niggas don't dance. Even these R&B niggas, they think they too cool to dance now. You feel me? Niggas is too nonchalant. I don't like that shit. This shit, it's fire. You feel me? Like I actually like watching videos like this. In America, all these niggas want to be too gangster. Like this, niggas be happy. That's how you know you bad, when you look good from every angle, for real. Look at that. About to blow.
It hits me like an earthquake.
This is fine. I know y'all saw hit that. Yeah.
It hits me like an earthquake. 빠르게 my heart race. 온몸이 떨려 can't stand. 널 부정할 수 없게. I think I'm gonna.
Yo, honestly, the whole video, like, bro, look at them. This on the iPhone, that's fire. Whoever edit these videos, honestly, I'll give K-pop that too, bro. Like, whoever edit y'all videos, give that nigga a raise right now, bro. These shits be going crazy. You know what it is? I think the labels over there actually care about the artists to actually, like, you feel me, put money in like the videos and stuff like that. In America, the labels just want to make money off you. I feel like over there they treat their artists good. You feel me? That's the difference. Directed by, oh, see, shout out to everybody that made this video because this was fire. It's like a whole movie scene for real. Man, that was beautiful, you feel me? That's my first time reacting to her, you feel me? So you know what they say, like, first impression matters. And this shit was fucking fire. I'm sorry for swearing, you feel me? But this was tough. I have to give credit where credit is due. This is my first time reacting to her, so she did that. She really did that, you feel me? If y'all know any more songs by her I should react to or by her group, please let me know in the comment section because I don't really know anything about the group. I have never even seen a picture of the group. You feel me? Like, subscribe to the channel, comment, let me know what to react to next, you feel me?